Top 20 tools for content research in 2025, like AnswerRepublic.com from UK, Arifs from Singapore, SEMrush from Russia, Moz from America, Google Trends from America, Suggest from America, Basumu from UK, Social Animal from India, Content Studio from Canada, Brand24 from Poland, Mention from France, Feedly from Switzerland, Quora from America, Reddit from America, Transport from America, Buzzstream from America, Sprout Social from America, Horseshoe Insights from Canada, Followers Wong from America, and last one is Nuzzle from America. So please subscribe my channel for more knowledge.